while you speak English. So, hello folks, how are you? This is Amrish Ranjan Sharan और मैं धनबाद में आपके लिए अंग्रेजी का क्लास लेकर के आया हूँ और मैं चाहूँगा what I wish is that you all would just get in contact with me. It's offline which I'll be giving you here at my office right at this place, So with various kind of queries related with the English conversations, the literature, the story, and your daily life. Now, what are the things you want and what are the things you do not want makes a great value for your life. So life is changing, the world is changing. So what you need to do is that you need to get into the floor of speaking English. Let me tell you, you have to get in touch with the English for an interview, okay? So when you're going for an interview, what are the fundamental things you would be needing at the time of interview, okay? When you're talking, when you're a teacher, and you are just conversing with your student, okay? So what are the fundamental things you should work at with your student? So these are the things which is very important while you just communicate. So communicate is not just you speak blah blah blah. The question is you expect someone to bring a feedback also, okay? When you're given something, you expect some feedback also, and that is what is very important in communications. आप सिर्फ बोलिए ये ज़रूरी नहीं है, बल्कि आपको उनसे उनके मत को लेना भी ज़रूरी है, तभी पता चलेगा कि आपने जो कहा है वो कितना उन्होंने लिया है और वहीं आपकी सक्सेस रेट